place to dig, plant, and rest. Shelley's Homestead Hideaway.
Oh my good, 29.1 pounds. Boo, y'all. Yes. All right, babe, I know you wasn't planning to do this, but since it's got that thing in it, let's go ahead and cut it real quick. Yes.
I was not cutting this thing today, Miss Shelley. Let's cut it.
Thank you.
We're kind of
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna get you a pan. All right, I got a pan, I got a knife, y'all. You want to turn the water on and rinse. This is a surprise. Rinse it off real quick. Move the scale.
Yeah.
You can put it right there. We're just gonna do a quick rinse of the outside. Pull it out enough. I'm not sure. I believe this might be a black jumbo black diamond or something.
It's like a pumpkin. It looked like a pumpkin.
Uh-oh. I'm so sorry.
Well, you don't rinse me clean, so I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
That's enough of a car wash for a watermelon. You don't need a car wash like that. But,
Let me lift it up and I'll empty the water out. Yes.
Cut the back off first.
Let me get y'all in there good now.
Cut that back part off first.
Yeah, let's cut that back part. See what it's doing. I hope it's red.
I don't know.
We live and in color.
Nah.
Nope.
She's real big.
She only pink. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she's only
Look at that.
She's only for.
Don't let any of your harvest go to waste. If you were watching the live from the other day, you saw the watermelon that was harvested and wasn't quite right. But never fear. Not only did we save and harvest the seeds, but the hired help made some watermelon tea or Fresca, whichever choice you would choose. And so I'm going to have myself a nice cup of watermelon agua. And I think I'll add in some fresh basil. Added some basil to this. Don't let any of your harvest go to waste, even if it doesn't turn out the way you plan for it to turn out. Find a useful way to use it, if possible.